What is a constructor? Constructor is a method which will be invoked automatically whenever an instance of class or struct is created. The constructor will have same name as the class or struct, and it is useful to initialize and set default values for the data members of the new object. So after reading this line, a question comes in mind. If constructor will initialize and set the default values of the new object, what will happen if we will not write that method in class? The answer of that question is, if we create a class without having any constructor, then the compiler will automatically create one default constructor for that class. Also remember, constructor is a method, but it does not return anything. So we don't need to use any return type, not even void. So if you see in the following example, I have created a class customer, and then in that class customer I have created a method, and if you see, the name of that method is same as the class name. So what we call this method? Constructor. And this will initialize this class object when we will try to create. If you see on the right hand side, we can have more than one types of constructors in a class. So basically we have 5 different types. First type of constructors called default constructors. Second, parameterized constructor. Third type is copy constructor. Fourth type is static constructor, and last, fifth type is private constructor. The default constructor or parameterless constructors we create this way, same name without parameter. So just remember, default constructors are used to initialize data members of the class with the default values. I hope you got the answer.